What if the ocean floor was not dead at all? What if, beneath 11 kilometers of crushing darkness, something impossible was happening? Something that could rewrite everything we know about life on Earth. Welcome to Sherlock Mode. In February 2026, a specialized expedition reached the Mariano-Oduba region of the Mariana Trench, 36,000 feet below the surface. Advanced submersibles pierced through layers of absolute darkness. And there, they found something that shattered every assumption scientists had made. Giant amphipods, creatures 12 inches long. Living in a realm where pressure alone should have crushed any complex life. Bioluminescent titans. Translucent snailfish, thriving in conditions once thought impossible for anything but microscopic organisms. The expedition had found not emptiness, but abundance. But this was only the beginning. A far more disturbing discovery was about to emerge from the very geology of the ocean floor itself. Somewhere in the abyss, scientists had detected something that contradicted fundamental biology. Metallic rocks at the ocean bottom were producing oxygen, not through sunlight, not through any known mechanism. Dark oxygen, a source of life energy hidden in Earth's depths for potentially billions of years. This was the turning point. Everything changed. If oxygen could be generated in absolute darkness, in complete isolation from the sun, then life itself could have originated not in shallow pools, but in these hidden, deep-sea vents. The entire history of evolution needed rewriting. And the discoveries kept coming. In the Clarion-Clipperton zone of the Pacific, a 5-year expedition had cataloged 800 previously unknown species. Marine bristleworms, crustaceans, mollusks, a new solitaire coral that had never been seen before. Each specimen a whisper from a hidden world. But here is where the mystery deepens. Scientists still do not know how widely these species are distributed. 30% of the zone remains completely unexplored. What else is hiding in plain sight? Then, in 2024, a Chinese research team descended into the Kuril-Kamchatka Trench, 10,500 meters deep, where pressure would crush submarines like aluminum cans, where sunlight has never existed. What they discovered there defied every assumption. Not a barren wasteland, not microbes alone, instead, a thriving ecosystem. Tube worms over a foot long, mollusks, crustaceans, sea cucumbers, thousands of creatures feeding not on sunlight, but on chemicals leaking from Earth's crust. Chemosynthesis. Life building itself from stone and chemistry. These discoveries pointed to a troubling realization. The deep ocean is not a museum of oddities. It is a frontier. A parallel world as complex as rainforests. A world that mining companies are now eyeing for metals needed for batteries and technology. Now, let us analyze. What do these 2026 discoveries tell us? First, life exists in far more extreme conditions than we ever believed possible. Second, the ocean floor is not empty, but teeming with biological complexity. Third, most of it remains undocumented. And fourth, we are about to disturb it, perhaps irreversibly, before we even understand what we are destroying. The real mystery is not what we found in 2026. The mystery is, what comes next? How many species will vanish before we can even name them? And what technology or knowledge lies hidden in these depths that we will never discover? If you enjoyed unraveling this mystery, like and subscribe to Sherlock Mode.